Hi class, this is Mr. Durst, and third time's a charm for these recordings. This video is going to be an overview of expectations for PhysioEx for this upcoming semester. To access PhysioEx, you need to log into Mastering A&P, click on My Study Area. While you're in My Study Area, please click on PhysioEx, and then go to the PhysioEx Exercises. And then while you're there, you can click on specific exercises. So I can go, oh, hey, there's exercise number 5, activity number 1. While you are doing these PhysioEx exercises, there, if you click on the 3 bars in the upper left, you can find objectives, introduction, pre-lab quiz, post-lab quiz, review sheet, and lab report. I want to make it very clear. Ms. Londrich and I are not collecting anything directly from PhysioEx. You should fill out the data tables, the hard copy data tables in your lab manual. Well, working through the PhysioEx exercise and bring those hard copy data tables to lab. If we included a modified data table with your lab handout, fill out that modified lab data table in your lab objective sheet as well, or your lab handout. I've had some students asking questions about the pre-lab quiz and the post-lab quiz. You are not going to be graded directly on your answers for these quizzes because we're not collecting anything. You don't need to email your lab instructor a PDF or have it sent to your lab instructor. So with these pre and post lab quizzes, you are free to work through them, and I want to encourage you to work through them until you get 100%. It'll be a good way for you to know if you know the material or understand the material. But these are optional enrichment activities. The thing you need to do is go to the introduction. And while you're in the introduction of any PhysioEx exercise, make sure you focus on all these key bolded terms so that you can understand what they mean and apply them, and then work through, let's just continue, work through your exercise. And then here is the exercise, and collect your data and come to lab with questions. So during our lab discussion time, if you have any questions about the experiment, that's where you can ask them. If you cannot make it to the in-person lab, you can always post your questions on the class discussion boards. And as always, please feel free to reach out if you need help. We are here for you. Happy studies.